Summer is almost here again, and that means that for some of us it's time for the dreadful task of cleaning the pool. Today we're going to talk about the Degrii Zima Pro Pool Cleaner, a cordless cleaner that comes equipped with ultrasound radars. We first saw it at this year's CES, and Degrii sent us one to test out. We will be covering 4 general aspects of the pool cleaner and giving them a score, from safety, ease of use, to cleaning performance, and battery life. Feel free to skip any section that isn't of interest, but do catch our summary at the end. Safety always comes first. Because of the cordless design of Zima Pro, we think it deserves a full score. Most pool cleaners on the market are wired to an outlet, but the Zima Pro uses a floating power supply that follows it around the pool and also gives it Wi-Fi connectivity. We think this is a clever idea. There's no risk of tripping over wires or getting tangled. There's also no risk of electrocution that can be a serious hazard, especially with kids or pets around. Rating: 10 out of 10. When it comes to ease of use, what I want from a pool cleaning robot is something I can throw in the pool and leave to do its job. Zima Pro maps out pools using ultrasonic radar, and we found the function to be efficient and accurate in our test. We tried a few runs in overall mode, and the machine didn't need supervision, except once when we discovered a flaw in the beta version of the app, causing the cleaner to get stuck in map-making mode. The makers tell us this will be solved in a future update. Testing manual mode, we found Zima Pro easy to control and maneuver. It responds quickly and precisely to app inputs. However, Zima Pro did struggle with our obstacle, hitting it instead of avoiding it. We spoke with the Degrii team and learned that the cylindrical curvature of the object makes it difficult for ultrasonic radars to accurately identify from a distance. The team is aware of this problem and is optimizing the algorithm for future versions. Scheduling also works well. It's nice to be able to schedule cleaning for times you don't use the pool. Rating: 8 out of 10. When you buy a cleaning tool, the most important part is obviously how well it cleans. We put Zima Pro to a proper test to check how it performs at cleaning. Zima Pro is equipped with a 250-watt brushless pump and double filters. During testing, it picks up almost all common debris, including leaves, twigs, and sand, but struggled with larger pieces of gravel. The filters seemed excellent at capturing fine particles, like sand and dirt. Putting it to the test, Zima Pro had no issue climbing walls and stairs, and removed dirt and grime in the process. Rating: 8 out of 10. Battery life is always a worry when you buy new products. So most of our testing time was spent on the battery performance. We ran the device 5 times until the battery life dropped below 10% to get its average runtime. Zima Pro has a 10,000 mAh battery, which the maker says should last 3.5 hours or 5,000 square feet. During testing, we found the battery lasting an average of 3 hours and 32 minutes, more than enough for cleaning most pools. Rating: 10 out of 10. Once the battery needs recharging, Zima Pro will park itself against the wall waiting to be fished out. There's also a one-click lift function inside the app. Tap the lift button, and Zima Pro will climb the nearest wall and wait patiently for you. Cleaning the filter baskets is dead simple. Just rinse them off with a hose when they get dirty. Having put Zima Pro from Degrii to the test, we feel safe in recommending it. Thanks to its cordless design, there's no risk of tripping over cords, getting tangled, or electrocuted. We give it 10 out of 10 in safety. Zima Pro also proved easy to use. Just place it in your pool and let it do its job. It's able to automatically navigate through your pool and can be set to clean it at specific times. We deducted 2 points due to a software flaw in the app, but are told it will be fixed in a future update, giving it 8 out of 10. When it comes to cleaning performance, Zima Pro features a powerful suction and brush system that removes almost all common debris, including algae and other buildup on all accessible surfaces. That said, it had issues with larger pieces of gravel. So we only gave it 8 out of 10 points. Zima Pro has an amazingly long battery life, averaging 3 hours and 32 minutes on a single charge. This should be plenty for cleaning even large pools, and ones with lots of debris. We think it's a clear 10 points out of 10. Making the total rating for Zima Pro 9 points out of 10. Having checked the market, this is by far the most advanced pool cleaning robot at a reasonable price. Robot cleaners were a game changer for our houses, and we are sure this will be one for your pool.